Designer's Choice. Right, Designer's Choice is going to be a die-based only collection. Now, this is the first of many. What are you going to get in there? You are going to get your beautiful dies. So you can see there that we've got the dragonfly and all those gorgeous embellishments, your sentiments in there as well. You're also going to get your bases. Now, as you may already notice there, this is an easel collection. It's going to form an easel card. So your dies, let me show you on my magnet so you can see how big they are. There we go, there's your dies. You can see that's the A4 magnet, so you can see how big they are, okay? Now you know me, I like to do things different. So I've actually made a little memory book. So I've made myself a little box with the dragonfly on the top. And then when we open it up, we've got a little memory book in there. A lovely little memory book. But that is actually made just from the one single die, which is that die there. Okay, so I'm going to turn you down and show you very quickly on how to make it. Okay, here we go. So, what you're going to need is you're going to need 4 of that. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut from there down to that little line there. So basically what you're doing is you are cutting off that bit of the card. So basically now you've got a glue tab. Okay, so you're going to need 2 of those, which we've got 2. We then need 2 with this bit on, but what we're going to do is we're going to take our scissors and we're going to come in and we're going to cut all the way across the back. So you're literally coming up from the bottom to where it goes in there. And the same on the other side. Okay? So let's get ourselves some high tack. So I've already put some on that one. I'm now going to put some on there. So these are effectively going to be our pages. So you can see there, when we bend that over, that is where it's going to stick to our spine. So these 2 are now our spine. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in and we're just going to chop off just that embossed line, okay, because we don't need it, so let's not use it. Let's get rid of that one. So bend those over, like so, and we're just going to put some tape on one of those. So let's place some tape on there and there, and let's take the backs off there. Oh, I should have brought my craft kit, but I haven't. Let's take the backs off of those. Got a stray hair there. So let's then stick that one over the top of there. So you've now got your book cover. Okay, open it up, take your pages, and I'm going to take it so that the flap is going to go to the front, and this one, the flap is going to go to the back as well. So that way we're going to have some nice spacing in there, so we can add our different little bits. So you'll see there that the spacing is perfect. So you've got that front cover, the back cover, and 2 pages inside there. Now you can double them up if you want. So if you wanted to double them up, all you would do is take a sliver all the way down and then literally stick one over the top of the other, and that's going to give you a really, really solid cover. Okay, now how I got the matte and layers to fit perfectly was really, really simple. So all you do is you take whatever patterned paper you want, take a pen, take your die and simply draw around that inside edge. Okay, so you draw all the way around there. When you've gone all the way around, cut it out and you'll find that your matten layer is literally 2 or 3 mils smaller than your actual project. Okay, and then all you're going to do is decorate it, put your flips, your flaps, your tabs, your wording and everything else into those little pockets, and you've got a beautiful little memory book. Yeah, so just make yourself a lovely box, got a bit of tissue inside that one, place your book in, close it up, and you've got that lovely little project. Okay, now if you use, let me put you back up so I can see you, hello, if you use, when you go to checkout, if you use the code DIE5, whatever way you want to put it in, DIE and then FIVE, or DIE and then just number 5, you're going to get a £5 discount. Okay, so this is a £24.99 kit, but by using that DIE5, you're also going to get a £5 discount. Shipping in the UK, if you spend over £19.99, is free of charge, and then elsewhere in the world, just check all those details on the website. So I hope you enjoy your designer's choice, and here's to the next month. I shall see you later. Bye.